Hey everybody on YouTube, I wanted to show you my truck. It's I'm in Augusta, Georgia. It's icy outside. It's pretty bad actually. This you see on the ground is mostly ice. It's roughly about an inch of ice. You can't tell it on my truck, but that thing is frozen solid. We hardly ever get weather like this. It's like almost an awesome thing. Right now it's kind of sleeting with a lot of rain. But yeah, it's solid ice. Not hard to get off. Just an update I wanted to give y'all about our winter weather. Let's go to the back. Beautiful trees that are frozen solid. That's actually a pretty tree right there. Everything's ice on it. Amazingly, nothing's like broken yet and falling over. Yeah, hopefully that don't fall over because that's really close to the house. But just want to give you guys an update. You can see my feet print. That's crazy. So long, YouTube. Until next time.